Welcome to our California Spotlight Guide. For its second year, we have expanded our recognition of the top small law firms in the state, offering them third-party accreditation and recognition in a dedicated guide. Boasting the largest economy among US states, accounting for about 14% of total US GDP, and with the world's fourth largest economy overall, California continues to go from strength to strength. Tech and private equity investment supports California's thriving legal ecosystem, while industries such as entertainment, life sciences, energy and real estate further elevate the region as a key legal hub. This environment has created opportunities for small firms where practice area specializations and niche capabilities are key differentiators in this market. Despite consolidation at the top end of the market, we're still seeing big law breakouts operating leaner, more agile models. Small firms have also maintained a foothold in California's lateral surge, as those offering personal service, flexible pricing, and specific expertise stand out among competitors. As economic uncertainty, regulatory upheaval, and soaring legal bills increase, purchasing behaviours are shifting towards established and emerging small firms. Moreover, the rise of the fractional GC model moving into the mid-market has created opportunities for small law firms on the roster of more significant companies. In this evolving landscape, small to mid-sized firms are increasingly in the spotlight and are well positioned to respond to client needs in California and beyond. In our 2026 Spotlight Guide, California now recognizes over 300 top small law firms in the state. The ranked firms are well equipped to respond to the trends and challenges revealed in our research. For example, recent labor and employment reforms in California, designed to strengthen worker protections and introduce new compliance requirements for employers, are set to see small law firms handling more discrimination suits, package claims, and wage and hour disputes. Our listed firms in this space are best placed to advise local, state, and national clients on how to navigate these changes. Silicon Valley and San Francisco's robust tech scene continue to fuel data privacy and cybersecurity work. Recent settlements like the $1.55 million against Healthline, $1.35 million against Tractor Supply, and $2.75 million settlement with Disney follow heightened enforcement under the CPPA, signaling opportunities for small law firms advising startups and tech companies on complex compliance demands. Moreover, a surge in litigation under the CIPA for ad tech and tracking tools is further increasing firm caseloads. Activity in the privacy and cybersecurity space is also driven by recent state-level AI changes in regulation. California remains the epicenter of AI work, with record venture capital funding, global tech M&A activity, and AI investments in data centers and related infrastructure, driving work in transactional, IP, and related areas. Our artificial intelligence, startups, and emerging companies, intellectual property, and M&A tables capture the small law firms at the forefront of this space. Tech companies remain scrutinized under the current administration by the FTC and DOJ. Proposed reforms by the California Attorney General further shape the landscape as plaintiff-friendly. Our antitrust firms remain active, advising on changing compliance concerns, M&A due diligence, and related investigations, as well as litigation. The introduction of new zoning incentives and land use reforms in San Francisco and Los Angeles, aimed at expanding housing capacity and supporting mixed-use development, will generate significant real estate and zoning work. The firms listed in our real estate and brand new real estate zoning and land use tables are well positioned to advise clients on these changes, while those in our environment listings are best placed to respond to recent CEQA changes designed to reduce environmental review hurdles. The Bay Area and Southern California continue to see sustained activity in the renewable energy space, driven by substantial investments in solar, wind, and battery storage, as exemplified by Governor Newsom's recent announcement of UK-based Octopus Energy's nearly $1 billion commitment to California clean tech projects. The firms listed in our energy and products tables are well positioned to advise on project development, permitting, regulatory cancelling, and investigations before the CPUC and CEC. An interesting trend revealed during our attorney interviews pointed to a decline in wine sales, which has resulted in significant bankruptcies in the region. the decline is being attributed to health trends. Our food and beverages and bankruptcy restructuring tables list firms well placed to navigate this landscape. And for the first time in Spotlight history and in response to market feedback, we've opened up 2 brand new tables: Art and Cultural Property Law and Civil Rights Law. Home to famous contemporary art galleries, major museums and high net worth individuals, the region attracts significant activity in art transactions, IP disputes and cultural property issues. Our brand new table lists the top firms in this space. And in light of expanded enforcement powers under the CRD and enhanced protection under the FEHA, it's only fitting that we introduce a civil rights table highlighting firms that offer go-to counsel in this area. Our breadth of coverage aligns with the key trends we've uncovered over the past year. I'd like to thank all of the attorneys we've spoken with. Without your participation, we would not be able to deliver accurate, impartial, and indispensable data for legal buyers. Huge congratulations once again to all the ranked firms. Please check out our brand new 2026 California Spotlight Guide online now at chambers.com.